Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games error IS-0003. Install failed and could not create a directory. Let's fix it guys. You just need to click on this system tray. If Epic Games is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. And after that go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find Epic Games Launcher. Double click on the Epic Games Launcher folder. Saved folder. You just need to delete the save as and web cache folder. Just right click on it and delete it. After deleting this both folder, just close tab here and navigate to Epic Games Launcher. Just right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and click on this apply and OK option. And now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.